Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's get started. Today I'm making stir-fried tofu, okra, and mushrooms with hoisin sauce. So let's review the ingredients. I have a medium firm tofu here, yellow onion, both ginger and garlic, Thai chili peppers, okra, green onion, and I have a combination of brown beech mushrooms with oyster mushrooms. And you can use any type of mushrooms you like. There's Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, dark soy, hoisin sauce, seasoning salt mix, and white pepper. And for the prep, let's start with the okra. We'll trim the tops off. And you can just line them all up and take it across the top. And we'll cut them in half. And okra has a peach-like fuzz in the outside, and when you cut into it, it has little edible seeds. And it also releases a viscous juice that is used for thickening sauces like in gumbo. It has a mild taste with a somewhat gummy texture. And it can taste really slimy when it's overcooked. So it may be an acquired taste for some people. And I encourage everybody to always try different vegetables. Next, let's cut the onion. We'll mince it. And we can mince the ginger and garlic together. Good. Next we'll trim and seed the peppers. And of course, if you like it spicier, you can always add more. Next, let's mince the green onion. And lastly, for the tofu, we're going to just mash it up a bit. Just press down on it, and we're going to break it up into little pieces. So this is going to look like minced pork. It doesn't have to be too fine, and that looks good. And the brown beech mushrooms, there's nothing to do. The oyster mushrooms, if the pieces are too large, you can just break them in half. So all the prep is done here. Let's start cooking. Okay, you have the pan set at medium-high heat. You add oil, and the first thing we're going to do is pan sear the okra. And what this is going to do is make the okra crispier and not have that slimy texture. So just let this sit and sear for about 30 seconds. You see it's browning nicely. Give it a quick toss. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Remove from the pan. The pan is still set on medium-high heat. Let's add oil. We'll add the garlic, ginger, onion, and pepper. And just stir this for about 30 seconds. And we'll add the tofu. And we'll cook the tofu crumble until it browns up a bit. And we'll cook out some of the moisture. And a bit of sesame oil. And the white pepper here. We're also going to add a little bit dark soy to this. Give it some color. So we'll add the mushrooms. Just a quick toss. And the mushrooms don't have to cook too long. And we'll also return the okra. And at this point, we'll add the seasoning salt, mix. Sesame oil, add the white pepper, we'll add the Hoisin sauce, and Shaoxing wine. Give this a good mix. Add the green onions. Give it a quick taste. That's really good. And this is done. So let's serve this. Turn the heat off. And here we have a delicious plate of stir-fried tofu, okra, and mushrooms with Hoisin sauce. The Hoisin sauce has a nice, rich, earthy, sweet flavor, and you get a bit of heat from the chili peppers. The tofu has a somewhat creamy texture, and you get the earthy flavors from the mushroom and the crispy texture from the okra. This is a fabulous vegetarian dish. Enjoy! Well, let's see if Shadow likes it. Ooh, yummy. She likes okra. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl, Shadow. Good girl.